Well, it's Amy in my little kitchen, and I wanted to share with you an item that I have at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, and it is Pilgrim nuts. They come in a 3 package, but I already used one, and that was the savory nuts. And to tell you the truth, I did it in a rice pilaf. Instead of using peanuts, I used the savory nuts from the 3-pack here. So they're already gone. But right here, I have the strawberry cream cashews and the cinnamon sugar pecans. And so what I'm gonna do here is I use the nuts not only for just munching on, so good, but I also use a lot of it in my baking. And what I'm gonna do with these pecans is that I'm gonna make a shortbread cookie. Pecan shortbread cookies. And you can make them into bars or little circle cookies. I also make them in a traditional cookie recipe that I'm gonna do with my grandkids, and that is the snowball shortbread cookies. So the round little bites. The other thing that I do with the strawberry cream, I love it crunched up or broken up and over ice cream, especially if you got like a peppermint ice cream, and you put a little whipped cream on there and sprinkle it with the strawberry cream cashews. Oh, love it. And then the other thing that I'm gonna make and crunch up these nuts with, the strawberry cream, is that I'm gonna use it in either a banana bread or a cranberry bread loaf. Oh my goodness, cranberry bread loaf. And I'm gonna use these nuts and crunch it up and use it with that. I'm gonna also use it with a combination of cashews and walnuts. I'm not gonna overload the bread, but this is a little tasty little secret treat to it. So anyway, Pilgrim nuts over at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. So I better get going on doing this because I'm gonna share these cookies. This year I'm giving away real plates with a little selection of cookies on them. So I'm gonna cut up my butter and I'm gonna get ready to make these I'm gonna get ready to make shortbread cookies using the cinnamon sugar pecans. I hope you enjoy it, and there's other ways to use nuts that I have on the site, not only for munching, but also for a number of things that whatever you use nuts in. So enjoy, and thank you for visiting my little kitchen and Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen and YouTube channel. Happy holidays.